GPU endpoints get expensive when they sit around doing nothing. We'll deploy an LLM on Modal with Python and make the endpoint scale to 0. This is the workflow you'll know how to run when we're done, which serves a serverless GPU answer and enforces safety. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. Many teams want low-latency answers from large models without paying for idle GPUs all day. The hard part is that GPUs cost money while sitting idle, and cloud scaling policies can be complex. Success means an endpoint that can spin up a GPU, run an LLM, and then fully scale to 0, so you only pay for real usage. Modal is a fit here because it blends container control and autoscaling with a familiar Python surface. We will build a tiny demo that proves the control plane, provisions a GPU, keeps model weights on the card between calls, exposes a post endpoint, and finally locks in scale to 0 with safety and metrics. The code will use Modal and a small transformer model, so the flow is concrete and fast to iterate on. Quick note, this code is designed to teach the core idea clearly. Library versions and local setups can vary, so check the official docs if your setup behaves differently. To begin, we first prove that Modal accepts our app and can run a simple health check before we add GPU bits. This snippet creates a minimal Modal app and synchronous ping call so you can prove the control plane is wired up. The variable app names the deployment namespace and lets Modal track future functions under LLM endpoint demo. Decorating ping with the app function decorator registers it as a remote callable that Modal schedules on demand, while ping call waits for the remote result, so the code stays deterministic. The local entry point main block ensures Modal Run executes the health probe from your workstation. Printing health status equals OK, confirms authentication works, and your service can answer within Modal before adding GPUs or models. Now, we need to confirm a GPU arrives with the right drivers and packages before loading any model. This example layers GPU dependencies into the same Modal app so the future LLM workload has a compatible runtime. The image variable first selects Debian Slim with Python 3.10. Then pip install adds torch and transformers, so CUDA kernels and tokenization are present once the container spins up. Defining the GPU variable as modal.gpu.a10g keeps the resource choice reusable across decorators. Describe GPU runs remotely on Modal, imports torch inside the container, and returns the exact card name attached to that worker. The GPU probe local entry point calls the function and prints the detected GPU, confirming provisioning before model loading. With a GPU confirmed, we keep the model in memory across calls, so we avoid reloading waits on every request. This code promotes the LLM into a long-lived Modal class, so waits stay on the GPU between invocations. The app class ties LLM session to the A10G image, and the enter method lazily pulls distal GPT-2 via auto-tokenizer and auto-model for causal LM before moving them to CUDA memory. The infer method tokenizes each prompt, forwards it through generate with a max new tokens cap of 32, and decodes text without special tokens, delivering deterministic greedy completions. Raising the cap yields longer replies, but extends GPU time per request. Draft uses a with LLM session context, triggering Modal to reuse the warmed container and return the generated explanation. And the printed text preview shows the first characters of that GPU-backed response. Next, we expose that warm session over HTTP, so external clients can post prompts and get answers. This snippet exposes the cached session through Modal's web endpoint machinery so external services can post prompts. The app function decorator keeps the GPU container alive long enough to serve HTTP traffic. And container idle timeout equals 600 holds the replica warm for 10 minutes. Lowering it trims cost, while raising it minimizes recurring cold starts. Modal Web Endpoint converts infer endpoint into a post handler that accepts JSON bodies. Inside the function, the code extracts the prompt, reuses the warmed LLM session context, and returns a trimmed response payload to avoid oversized transfers. Curl Preview demonstrates how a local workflow can issue a request via infer endpoint call, and the endpoint output print confirms clients receive generated text without paying for idle replicas. Finally, we harden the endpoint for real use with shared metrics and strict autoscaling, so billing goes to 0 when idle. This example hardens the endpoint for production by adding modal dict state and explicit autoscaling limits. The metrics object lives in Modal's control plane, so every inference call can persist the most recent latency without managing a separate store. The function decorator now includes keep warm equals 0 to guarantee scale to 0 billing, and concurrency limit equals 2 to cap simultaneous GPU executions for predictable memory pressure. Infer endpoint measures elapsed time with time.perf counter, records the latency in the shared dict, and still returns the generated text along with the metric. The guarded main call warms the endpoint once and prints latest latency MS for incident-style debugging. In a real system, this pattern maps to a model registry and a small API front-end. The warmed GPU worker is your fast path. The control plane dict becomes a cheap place for operational metrics and alarms. Recap: it is a model-based serverless GPU endpoint that loads an LLM and scales to 0. Use it when you need occasional low-latency answers without paying for always-on GPUs. One caveat is cold start latency, which you must measure and tune. Next step: tune the container idle timeout and concurrency limit to balance cost against cold start frequency for your traffic pattern. If short, practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.